Hello and welcome to this live. How are you all doing? It's been a while. It's been a break before we have done this live. And yes, of course, the last live, absolutely smashing. In case you have missed it, it's one of memories. You know, if I had to say in one word, that live was about memories. It was on Sachi Zari. And now this is the second live where you're going to be seeing a much loved fabric. This is one is the satin fabric. Okay, so of course you had seen it launch a few days back. The live went away, and now we just thought that there were so many requests wanting to see this fabric again. So I thought, why not? Okay, so give me a break. I think I've got a sore throat for sure. Yeah. So yes, so we have all of the colors coming back in satin to show you. So I'm going to be showing you colors in satin and of course some combinations to go along with it. The first things first, this beautiful dupatta. This is a silk dupatta which I think looks smashing with this green. This green is our signature for this year. It's going to be this color, and of course it's season May, you know, it's seasons, holidays, and you know, time to kind of go out, you know, have a nice time, parties. And this is such a beautiful color for that, you know, wherever you are in the world. I think it's such a unique, beautiful emerald green color. You can really dress up, you can really make it beautiful, and you can always do a traditional look out of it, you know, like the one that I'm wearing. You can also completely change it, which I will show you eventually. So first things first, this fabric that I'm wearing, 8,800 per meter. And this beautiful dupatta that I'm wearing, you can be having this too. It's a very detailed, lovely design that looks amazing. So there you go. This is the dupatta, and that was actually the back. I thought that, you know, when I was kind of touching the fabric, but you know, now you can see the entire glory of the piece. So yes, it's a great one to go for a same on same. Now if you feel that, you know, probably satin, yeah, of course, now you can see my look is the same on same. You can see the high slit, it's slightly higher slit, and it's a straight look. Okay, so that's my look. It's kind of straight, it's not very fitted, but thoda sa shaped hai. It's not totally loose either. So yeah, that's the whole piece. On satin we will be showing you more colors in it as we go along, but we're going to be starting with a bang and with one very, very beautiful dupatta. There you go. You know, we've been having a lot of client visits. Shadi ka season hai. Everybody, you know, kind of wanting to get those perfect looks, also complete their looks. Now if you're looking for a red dupatta, and I can tell you many scenarios for it. You're looking for a piece of collection, you're looking for wearing it to a wedding, you're looking at it for your trousseau, to wear it on a sari along with your lehenga. This is a dupatta from our heritage collection. This is the first time I think we've done a beautiful red in it, and there you can see it right here. This absolutely stunning red, and there you go. And it's red unlike any other. It's, you know, this very deep, beautiful color. And of course, aap iske saath, you will be able to wear a suit which is also in Katan silk. Now I'm going to show you a very interesting way of wearing it, which is going to be with our, you know, beautiful Katan silk fabric. Now look at that. This is going to be as premium as it gets. What I have in my hand is a very unique option that this time we've created for a hand woven karwa weave kurta with boota, and iska hi bottom bhi hai isi ke saath, which has also been woven along with it, and it's a piece that you can buy with its beauty. So that's the bottom that you're seeing. It's currently joined. The boota is all over. The hand woven bottom is there. Ye dekhiye, iska border bhi hai, and that's the entire kurta. So yes, lots of fabrics basically. That's what I'm saying. But now let me just show this. Absolutely beautiful. So ये कुर्ता है और इसका bottom है, and this is available separately. Now I'm going to show you one, and I'll show you the dupatta that's actually there with it. But now I'm going to bring you this very grand combination, and then I'm going to switch the combination to completely something else altogether. First things first, yeah, take a look at that. This very, very gorgeous, this perfect combination, because when you're wearing something as premium in this, and beautiful. This is a complete collectible. जब आप ये पहन रहे हैं, you will need a base as beautiful, as stunning. If you're wearing it on your wedding day, on your lehenga, or you're the mother, or you're the sister, or it's for your trousseau, or it's for your collection, or you just like to wear red, then I'm gonna have a collection. I'm gonna have a way where you can wear it if you don't want to choose for a pure red look. But really, it is so grand and it's so beautiful. This is your first look that you're going to go for. Okay, now let's remove that. And the second thing that I have for you is this incredible fabric. Now look at that. It's so stunning. It's in a natural color. Can you see it? Can you see the glimpse? It's a beautiful gold. There is silk, there is tissue. So there is that beautiful, you know why I'm holding it at this angle? Because of course, so that you can see the angle and the beautiful piece in it. Now this is so stunning. It's also dyeable, but honestly I just think that it looks so classy. Now we're going to come to the complete look of the piece. There you go. That's your complete look. And you want to go for red on red. There you go. We showed you an option. The next one is this. It is as premium and as beautiful, as detailed as it could be. I think it's just perfect, this combination. Now, मैं ये fabric ना यहाँ रखने वाली हूँ because I think there are going to be so many things which are going to look so amazing with it. One last glimpse on this absolutely stunning dupatta for you that you're supposed to go and place your order on WhatsApp. So yes, ये हमारी जो एक heritage weave है, and in fact अब उसके साथ now I saw fabric, मुझे लगा ये भी कितना अच्छा लगेगा. But so yeah, there we can do so many looks with it. We did a red, we did a this natural ivory off-white color, and there's a very beautiful fabric jiske saath maybe I will pull that again and bring it out to you. But before that, we've done a red. Now I want to get into something very special, and it's this dupatta. Can we just pull this thread away? Yes, look at that. Here it is. This very wonderful dupatta that you have. Look at this. It's absolutely stunning. Here it is, and this one is yet another heritage weave piece, and you can see it right here. Now there you go. That's your dupatta. It's full length, full width, this marvelous color. It's in blue. It's a shade of blue. ठीक है, अब इसके साथ again we can do a same on same, but when you are coming here, then you know that kuch or extra, that is what you're looking for, and that is what we are going to get from us. Now look at this beautiful, the second. So वो वाला जो tone था, if I will show you both the tones in fact together. Two extremely beautiful neutral fabrics, and this is not dyeable, this is dyeable. But naturally, I would say that I think they look so gorgeous in their natural form. And that's, now look at this. This is all satin base. It's got this beautiful weave. और बहुत छोटा है, तो आप same on same बहुत easily पहन सकते हैं when you're wearing something like this. हर चीज इस पे बहुत सुंदर लगेगी. Now I'm going to bring back this dupatta because this is one such dupatta कि इस पे जब आप पहनते हैं तो बेस कलर पे उठेगा, but slight contrast, but just the right contrast, not like too much, will look very beautiful. Now look at that. That's going to be looking super classy, super beautiful. And अगर आप actually इसको चाहें a softer contrast, then I'm also going to show you a pink with it, which will look really good. There you go. So look at that. Here it is. So this is the kurta. Now you can see the kurta right there. This is of course हमारा 6,800 का per meter का fabric. Now everything is coming on my right side. What's the outfit today? So look at this. Now I want to show you इसके साथ this dupatta. Here it is. So let's put it together, and you take a call कि आपको, do you like the off-white looks better, or do you prefer this? I'm showing you both. To me, the choice is very clear. I will leave it up to you कि आप क्या सोचते हैं. These are from our premium collection. These are our heritage weaves which have been revived. We've done many live talking about them, explaining to them, कि what is it that is there. But now it is more about, just bringing these pieces, to you showing them as they're getting made, and you know that's the beauty of it कि जैसे जैसे बन रहे हैं वैसे वैसे आ रहे हैं आपके पास. Now one very interesting dupatta, from that we are switching from silks to you know georgettes, and there you go. That's the dupatta that you can see. How stunning and how beautiful can a piece be. Now this beauty is right here for you to see. It's georgette, it's meenakari, it's absolutely wonderful. You can of course be doing it on a contrast, but iska mere ख्याल से मजा जो है सबसे ज़्यादा it will be on the blue color. If you wear it, it'll really you know kind of stand out. I'm also going to be showing you the another color in this, you know, the black, and I think both colors just absolutely wonderful, you know, really flowy, all things amazing in it. Now look at that, all of that Meena that you're seeing, this is also the back I'm showing you, absolutely clean, you know. So that's the dupatta and full length. So isko aap aaram se pehne. For the prices, for many of these pieces, the prices are always on request. So you will have to then head to WhatsApp. कैसे आप प्लेस करेंगे पीसेस के ऑर्डर इज ऑन व्हाट्सएप. सो यू आर गोइंग टू बी हेडिंग टू व्हाट्सएप एंड प्लेसिंग ऑर्डर. ओह माय गॉड, नाउ लुक एट दैट, wonderful. That's the part 2, second piece of this, which is the black, and you can see the most beautiful color right here. Two dark colors. Now you will see we are doing so many of these emerald greens, you know, the jewel colors, the blues, of course, because this time of the year, the next 3-4 months, it's so nice when it's slightly, you know, that you know nip in the air, and it's so wonderful. Of course kai jagah to bahut thanda hoga, but for us Mumbaikas, you know, it's always just a nip in the air. But having said that, if you're in north, anywhere in the world, you know, it gets really cold. Of course Australians, so many of you coming to us and asking us for cottons because it's summers, and we do have a lot for you, so always be there, hang around, you know, we do have a lot of stuff for you. But silks, pastels हो, brights हो, they look so amazing. अगर मैं ये फिर ले आऊँ फैब्रिक तो ये फिर बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. Now you can see how amazing it looks with it, and what a striking combination. The black and the ivory, the black standing out so much more. Like I could, now you can take this away, I could do a completely different look with it as well. Can I add this? I could do a very very different look. Now you can see that. Again, I'm going to leave it to you to decide. You want to go for a black on black, you want to go for that look, or this is the combination that you're looking for. But chaliye ab ye I'm going to take out, and I'm going to show you colors in this. Can I get all of these beautiful colors? You saw the pink jo maine dikhaya tha isme. If not, then you should see the pink. Okay, can I have some mats? This fabric, okay, plus 2.5 meter chinia bottom. So basically 17,000 plus 5625. मैं आपको एक you know एक बहुत सुंदर पीस दिखाने वाली हूँ. Like I'm going to show you lots of options in it. Dupattas are additional, okay? So how much does it come out to be?
22,625.
Okay, so 22,625 is 2.5 meter of this kurta and this beautiful silk kadwa weave. These are our lovely motifs. This and iska plain silk bottom. Now for the dupattas, you could go for heavier dupattas. You could go for dupatta like this one. I'm going to show you this very nice combination. दो चीजें हैं इसमें, ये देखो. Now you gone all blue, and what a pleasant blue. So कुर्ता 2.5 मीटर एंड बॉटम का मैंने प्राइस आपको बताया है. Look at that. This is a very pretty blue. Now one option is of course this 32,800 वाला. अब 32,800 में भी हमारे पास दो combination है, which is one is this. Now you can see this is a beautiful dupatta. पूरे tassels भी हैं, सब कुछ है इसमें. Okay, now that's your one combination, and you can see it here, right here, how pretty it looks. Very very perfect. So now you add another 30,800 to it, and
it will be 55,425.
55,425. So this dupatta, this lovely kurta 2.5 meter and a plain silk bottom, and so I think it makes for a great complete look and very very dressy. Now I'm going to change another combination with it and tell you that, and this is the green. This is also the green that I'm wearing. Now you can see the beauty of it. It's my absolute favorite. ये बहुत दिनों से मैं बनवाई थी. Now finally this color has come, and I'm so happy with it. Now I'm going to do you another combination. 2.5 meter of this plain chinia bottom and 18,800 का दुपट्टा. Okay, that's the dupatta that I'm going for because this is what I have in hand. So what is the match for that? Can I have that match?
Total will be full set 41,425.
41,425. So now first things first, look at this dupatta. Isn't it so hot, so nice? And yes, I think, you know, I mean, the amount of requests that I'm getting for it, I'll have to make it again because it's over actually, the dyeable ones. So we only have these beautiful colors available. Now you can see how amazing it looks on this as well. So you can wear it with the satin in any color. And but of course satin is 8,800 per meter. अब मैं आपको दूसरा color combination जो इसका दिखाऊंगी वो ये है, which is the fabric, which is this glorious green. Now you can see how amazing that is. And this, so this combination with the plain bottom comes out to be 41,425. Yeah. So now look at that. How perfect can it be? And इस type का दुपट्टा अब जितने भी हम 6,800 वाले में दिखा रहे हैं, in fact there was a pink also ना which we were showing, that pink also I'll show you. तो उसमें भी आप कर सकते हैं. You know, there is this pink, I had already opened it up. So with another combination. Now I'm just going to show it to you like this. So whether it's this pink that you're going to go for with an 18,800 tissue dupatta like this. अच्छा, एक जॉर्जेट में भी हमारे पास कड़वा बूटी का 18,800 का, उसका भी मैच सेम आएगा. In case you want to see that, that's also going to look wonderful. But I think this is the perfect look for this season. You can pick any color, the dark ones, the light ones. I will leave it up to you. But what a wonderful color. Let's show you some more colors in this fabric. You know, Parag Hiranya, these colors are just amazing. They're such complete pieces. You know, even if you want to skip the dupatta, तो 22,000 कुछ में आपका पूरा प्योर सिल्क का इतना अच्छा लुक है. And let's go to another color, the grey. I don't think I make grey that much, you know. So yes, I'm also learning to kind of experiment, make colors beyond, you know. It's human, right? Everybody has a preference for a certain color. Sometimes I don't think grays and blues come so much in my palettes, you know. Of course, you know, it's our job to kind of create a complete palette, and, you know, but still, because, you know, when you're making it, when you're deciding, you naturally tend to move towards colors more. But now this is such a beautiful gray. I'm so happy I tried it because now you'll see all the colors जो है इसमें इस palette में, and in fact that was our mandate that we want to try colors which we don't make otherwise. So that green, emerald green, very rare in our collection. The mauve, the grays, all of that, you know. Now look at that. Oh, this is so beautiful. This brown shade. इसमें कोई भी दुपट्टा आप पहने, again go for a tissue दुपट्टा, 18,800 का Georgette dupatta, that will also be really nice. And I think it's just absolutely stunning. This color, it's such a, let's show it to you like this, such a rich color. Okay, now you say यार कि मुझे सिर्फ कुर्ता bottom नहीं चाहिए, you know, this is very pretty, but I'm looking for something heavier. Then I'm going to show you the suits. Can I have the suits? I'm going to show you complete full suit, so you can hear how crisp they are. I एक combination में दिखाना चाहूँगी. Can I get this fabric? Yes, actually, and that's actually most fun I have when I just see something and then I say, you know, we should do it. Now I'm going to show you this fabric. You see it right here, and I'll show you another glorious fabric, and I think that they should be worn together. When your entire look is going to be about, you know, skip the dupatta and beautiful fabrics together. What a look. I think ये बहुत सुंदर है, the fabric in itself, but the zari matching with this color, I think it's very dressy. So imagine yourself wearing a beautiful kurta of this, you know, slightly A-line, not too flary, and this has a flary bottom in stripes. So cool, so smart. Of course, ये खुद में ही बहुत सुंदर है. Now I'm going to just come a little closer because, you know, I want to show you the details of it. Now look at that. ये खुद में भी बहुत सुंदर है. So it's really pretty in itself. And I'm going to show it to you like this again, and look at that. It's very perfect, very pretty. So you can do a same on same. You can do with that kurta that I was just telling you. If you're going to go for a kurta of this, then you can go for a plain silk bottom. But how lovely this is, you know, jackets, kurtas, men or women, really, you can just do it all with all of that. Now we're going to go on to the next thing, which is going to be Katan silk suits. And, you know, I think, you know, look at that. Look at the color, the zari, the weave. It's so perfect. Now, I really think that when you are in the mood to wear silk and you don't want कि यार बहुत time लगा के कुछ ढूंढा जाए, तो there is nothing more perfect than full suits. And this one, I think the motif is so pretty with the big and the small, the sola and the rupa all there. Ek minute, I want to just set it right for you so that you can get that look. Now look at that. So this is the full look. This wonderful contrasting combination with yellow. I think it's really pretty. And these are from our premium range of Katan silk suits. And yehi season hai. Inko absolutely, enjoy and to wear them. You saw, I think 3 blues, all light, all very different. The premium dupatta was one shade of blue, then the 6,800 wala fabric was another shade of light blue, and now you are seeing this one, and this is a totally different blue. And look at the buta, look at how big, nice, and with Meena they are. So that's your, और इसके साथ bottom भी है, वो भी weave हुआ है इसी के साथ. So it's a very nice one. So 3 blues, of course you saw the navies also, so that was also there. But कहने के लिए I think this one is such a nice one. Again, complete perfect look for you. The bootas, no, अच्छा इसमें कोई contrast नहीं है. In the same way, इसमें भी contrast नहीं है. Now look at that. Here it is. And now I'm going to show you a dupatta which is here. Now, and again, and I'm really happy. I'll just show it to you in a bit. First things first, this wonderful, beautiful motif, very detailed. How stunning is that color? Just the thing that you want to wear in this Shadi ka season and all season. Katan silk suit now, you must have 1 or 2 in your wardrobes because it's such a simple, easy, complete way of just feeling dressed and beautiful. Okay, after this we're going to go on to the shades of satin. But first things first, I want to show you how something can be traditional and how it can be so much fun all together. Oh, look at that. So this was our design from Hiranya, which is the collection for this season. This is tissue here, and I'm going to bring it closer. You can see it. This is Petni. Now you can see what we've done with it. Zari here because this is tissue, okay, and this is resham, and this is resham. So a beautiful adaptation of our design which we've been doing, and I have the other one which I'm going to be showing you, which is more zari in the border, in the palla. In this we have kept it really fun, really, very, very contemporary. Now with this, a plain silk suit of this hot pink color, it's going to be your piece that you have to wear with it. So full body head tissue ki, it's a lovely silver tissue. Look at that. You can see the tissue, you can see the work. Ye pura hai. So you can see that. And then you're going to be seeing it no zari here. These lovely pop of colors. This is one piece only. जो इसका zari का version है, I want to show you that piece. That is so wonderful because it's totally different from this, But इसी design को हमने adapt किया है, which is what I'm going to show you. Okay. Now this one, was this the piece? No, this was not the piece. Was this the piece? Or yeah, this is in 2. Okay. Now another version. Okay, so that one is still not there. Okay. Now this is silk. Okay, so this is silk and this is silk. Now here, this is the version. Of course, it's white silk. Very rare. हम सिर्फ कतान में ये white बना पाते हैं. Now there's no tissue here. So this is the katan based one. That's the tissue based one. And you can just wear this with a plain silk. Even a plain white katan would be wonderful. But just look at the borders. Look at the detail. It's absolutely amazing. So one white dupatta in Petni. And so rare the color with this asawari flowers only in Resham. This jacquard weave which has been given. Perfect. Okay. So there you go. Okay, let's go on to the colors in satin. And this is one color that I'm wearing. This is the other color that you can wear. And there you go. Here it is, the satin color. And absolutely wonderful. Look at that. So this is called the rose. It's also one of our more versatile colors. Very, very wearable. It just looks good on any dupatta, any color. But like blues, blacks, they will all look super nice on it. But एक ये भी color है जो इस पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, which is not red but a maroonish color, and it looks very beautiful. This of course is 8,800 per meter. The dupatta is 32,800, and I'm going to show you certain colors in it which make wonderful combination. But To me, satin in any which ways, you can wear a combination, you can keep it versatile like this. Now there you go, here it is. There you go. It's a glorious gold, which I tell you, I can pick up any dupatta again from here. It's going to look very, very nice with it. And you can see this combination. Here you go. I think it's superb, superb. So look at that. That's one wonderful combination. This is a kind of a rustish look. अच्छा एक चीज मैं जो दिखा रही हूँ आपको and I'm going to show you this is yes this is just a very quick एक singular recap है for the last live that we have done. Okay, in case you've missed it, you have not seen it, this is a real Sachi Zari dupatta and our Monday's live was were on many such pieces. So in case you have missed it, do make sure that you've seen it. Abhi nahi, baad mein, abhi to stick around and see this complete video live that you're seeing. And it's a beautiful real zari in pure cotton Banarsi weave. मैं इसलिए इसको लेके आई थी because there were a lot of requests on what fabric works best with it. I think a satin works really well as well. Like when you want to stand out, when you want to keep a subtle base for it, I think it would be a great one. Okay, any questions on can we make such pieces without real zari? Of course not. Certain designs are only safe for certain premium looks, and I think it's, you should kind of go for it. And there you go. Now look at that. I'm just going to show you the beautiful color in it. This is the color and it's a lavender and I think it looks amazing. Here it is. You can see it. The soft, beautiful piece. Look at the softness. It's really, really good. Okay. Now, one last color. Is this the last color? Okay, we have 2-3 more colors in fact in satin. Sab dekh lijiye so that it's very easy. This color, of course, you can do a stylish 18,800 dupatta with it. That's going to look amazing. Okay, but this, okay, this is going to be very, very nice. And here it is. Now you can see a katan silk ka black mein pehne, green mein pehne. There you go. Look at that. It's, I think, very pretty. So here you go. You can see this combination. I think it's one of those colors जिसपे black बहुत अच्छा लगता है. When you don't want to do a black on black, it looks very, very rich as a combination. So there you go. Okay, now the next up is this one and you can see this dupatta. There you go. This wonderful dupatta 32,800. आज बहुत सारे colors मैंने दिखाए हैं आपको. Now this is another color of it और इसके साथ भी मैंने satin लगाया. Now you can see this red satin look. It's so perfect. So when you're looking for something that's stylish, that's premium and very different, I think this is a wonderful look together. ये just look at this red satin, it's glorious. और एक मैं इसके साथ जरूर दुपट्टा आपको दिखाऊंगी which is different from this because इस red के साथ honestly बहुत सारी चीजें अच्छी लगेंगी और एक ये कलर भी है जो बहुत अच्छा लगता है with red. Now here you go. Now look at that. Oh, I love this. It's such a beautiful two-tone color and now you can see this red and this. So it's a very pretty one as well. So yes, it's a color, base color to ho hi sakta hai, but because it's a lighter one, I think it really stands out on a red base, so it's a wonderful piece. It's a, of course, the two-tone colors, a beautiful pattern in this pink, and I think you can go for it as a same on, like a contrast combination. Same on same, yes, जरूर कर सकते हैं, but contrast में कुछ pieces में हमेशा ज़्यादा मजा आता है, and that is what I wanted to show you. We are about to kind of end. I'm going to, go for suits because we're doing suits, we're doing complete looks. तो मुझे आपको 3 मूंगा के जो looks हैं, that is what I want to show you. But first thing, let's go with this, the satin. How amazing is that? It just kind of really, really stands out. And now this is the black satin look. And yes, we did have an event in which there was I think some time back, satin, we had so much order. They're still getting made. The fabric, it's almost done. And, I think dispatch will start about in the next 6-7 days for those orders. But you can only guess why, because they are so popular. Because this premium look hasn't ever looked better and more modern and nice. And, it's like all things plus and you feel so great when you're wearing satin. सबसे बड़ी तो यही बात है. that if any one of you have been buying नीव के पीसेस और उसको आपने अलमारी में रखे हुए हैं और नहीं बनवाए, तो मेरी सिर्फ ये रिक्वेस्ट है आप रखे, बट एक पीस जरूर बना के पहने उसको, बिकॉज आई नो like you like collecting and we do say that they are collectibles and 100% they are, but like you know jewelry I also say कि पहने, उसको भी पहने इसको भी पहने, when you have worn it then you know and we know that you're going to be there you know forever with us. That's you know that's definitely a promise. So here you go. Now look at that, this glorious piece. Okay, last, very crisp, very beautiful, very quickly we are going to be doing it. 3 मूंगा सिल्क सूट्स. ओके, कतान हमने किया है, अब मैं आपको मूंगा सिल्क सूट्स एंड very different all 3 the looks. This one is the natural color. Yes, it is dyeable, but I think it looks very beautiful in this karwa work with natural, and tassels are there, it's included. So look at that. Oh, that's a very pretty one. It's a set only, so you can only get as sets, so remember that. Okay, and there you go. This is also a very pretty one. This is abhi mere haath mein sirf dupatta hai. I am going to bring out the suit in this. There you go. You can see that. Here it is. A very pretty jal, karwa, meena, all things together in it. And then there is going to be the last suit, which is this. This is the last suit in it. ये भी मूंगा है और सबके बॉटम्स भी रेडी है, सो दे आर ऑल रेडी टू गो आउट टुडे. शादी का सीजन है, पहनने का टाइम है, एंड ऑफ कोर्स all of you coming to India, getting your pieces shipped to your boutiques, it's all there going on. So yes, this is the best time, whether it's going to be in January, in December, in February. Ye pieces, you know, the idea is that, and this is very important, that hand woven pieces come at their own time and scale. You know, you feel कि अरे यार मैं एक हफ्ते बाद ले लूँगी, but it should be there for you to take it. So when you like something, just go for it. This fabulous, I love this look. Look at that, it's so dressy, very pretty. So there you go. That was the last one. Can I have my green dupatta? And that was the last one from today. I think it was absolutely amazing. अच्छा, मैं अब जो पहन रही हूँ, this is from our premium range of dupatta. Okay, what is special about it is that karwa हम खुद बहुत बनाते हैं सिल्क में. Okay, for the very first time we tried to do a complete karwa and dyeable sona. And it's all more sona, just thoda sa rupa hai work that we tried to make, and you can see the beautiful effect. You've also seen me wear it in red on our Hiranya look, but this dupatta is a work of about 25 days for one piece to be made in Georgette, in karwa, dyeable, sona and rupa. Okay, it's most beautiful. Iska jo look hai when you're wearing, an ultra lightweight, you know, the way it's been made. When you're wearing this, it is just about this piece itself. So this base is so good with it. अब आप चाहें, you want to reduce the price, you can go for Katan silk. You know, you can go for Katan silk as well. Of course, जो सच्ची ज़री में थे, हमने 2 टोन के सिल्क्स भी दिखाए हैं, उसमें भी आप मैच कर सकते हैं. But it is just a statement to be wearing this dupatta, and I do have you know 2 colors with me, 3 colors in fact, which I'm also going to be showing you. And yes, these are from the premium range. Each dupatta very special, you know. And yes, we do it in 2 designs. अभी जो मैंने पहना है ये और ये, this is the same design, and my look is with the other design from Hiranya, and I will show that to you. So this is a most wonderful blue. You can see the whole color right there. Look now, अब मैं आपको detail दिखाऊंगी, and I'm also going to show you the back clean, because it's a karwa jal that's dyeable and very time taking, very skill oriented, because iska jo you will see the threads are very thin. इसमें करवा जाल work में time और skill बहुत लगती है. This, now look at that, wonderful. This is the other design that we have. This is the most wonderful red pink color. So yes, not that typical red that you see, very different, and I think it's absolutely lovely. So this is one piece, and the very last in the same design. So 2 designs हैं, and I know many of you have both designs, but जैसे बन के आ रहे हैं, so yes, you can always kind of go for it. You can also customize it in any color of your choice. Oh, look at that, guys, look at that. You know, imagine yourself doing a black on black look with this. It's a pure statement. It's beautiful for the season of celebration, of parties, of weddings, and of coming back home. This is a wonderful look to have in your wardrobe. That's the very last piece, and that's, now you can see my whole green look. Black, I wear a lot of black. I think it will be so stunning on that, or any color for that matter. Thank you so much for joining in early, and it was a short notice, so I'm really happy some of you could join in. Place your order on WhatsApp. Free worldwide shipping above 20,000. So yeah, that's a great occasion. And cash on delivery, I think many of you still have that doubt. I want to say it, cash on delivery is available all over India with token amounts. The token amounts are taken as your surety. So yes, there can't be any change or cancellation. So yes, that's the idea. And cash on delivery available है. और कहीं भी बॉम्बे में अगर आप हैं तो आप अगेन यू कैन पे योर टोकन्स अमाउंट ओनली फॉर प्रीमियम ऑर्डर्स. वी विल ऑल्सो सेंड अ पर्सन होम to kind of deliver it and to take the balance payment. In Bombay, we have that facility. Otherwise, हमारा studio आप कहीं से भी आए, so you can come here, pay in cash and buy your pieces. So yes, there you go, and it's been amazing. So go and find your favorite one and dress up, guys. Don't, वो अलमारी में मत रखिएगा, जरूर पहनिएगा, कपड़ों को भी और ज्वेलरी को भी, दोनों को. Yes, bye.